The Judicial Service Commission has started interviews for 35 candidates shortlisted for the Court of Appeal judge position. Professor Migai Akech, Justice Yuvinalis Maronga of the Environment Court appeared before the JSC earlier today, even as Justice Oscar Amugo Angote of the Environment Court is currently before that commission. Let's listen in.
And principles of good governance. And also when you look at the Bill of Rights and Fundamental Freedoms, it tells you when those freedoms and rights start and where they end. And therefore that document gives us what actually the people decided should dictate the way they live. So that's the definition of what public interest is. It is constrained within that particular document. Now when you come to national interest, you are talking about the context within national interest applies is in the national security, in issues to do with territorial integrity, issues to do with development, issues to do with foreign relations, and basically issues to do with how the government is run. And therefore, if that is the position, and more so when you look at Article 238, it even tells you, when you're talking about national security, what should be the measurement or the parameter under which that particular national interest should be looked at. Article 238 is very clear that when you're talking about national interest, they should be able to be pursued within the constitutional framework. And therefore, public interests always outweigh national interests in view of the constitutional framework. And the case of Code was very illustrative when that High Court dealt with the issue of the security amendment laws. Though it was argued that those laws were meant to guarantee the security of the country, the court was very clear that the laws should be able to align with the public interests, which are actually found in the principles under the Bill of Rights. And that was a very clear demonstration of how you balance those two. And those two are not just political connotations.